we're preparing for a severe thunderstorm watch. It's supposed to be 80 miles per hour winds. Just prepared. Look at that. And we're supposed to get hit with the severe part. There's a chance of tornado. We're just on a watch right now. But, yeah, that's what's supposed to happen. So, keep you guys updated. Might lose some internet or power. So, we'll see what happens. Got everything ready. It's really windy. Holy, well, we'll see if we get hit. It's supposed to happen in like 30 minutes, so. Woo! Already thundering. We're gonna be out here until it starts pouring. Or if I kind of have to. Might get forced inside. But we're gonna stay out here because we're crazy. And, yeah. I should be inside, but I'm not. It's pretty crazy. Holy! It's dark. It's darker than it looks on camera. Tornado watch. Severe thunderstorm. What time is it? It's coming in about 20 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Let's go! It's waiting for the storm. Holy moly. Holy. Highly. I don't know, man. Scary. Minutes. Comes. Here we go. It's here. Oh, we're going in.